Being one of the pioneers in garment industry, we have been in a journey of learning and hardship. Prithvi is 20 years old. We are proud that we make use of innovation and retrofit our ways of working. Staff community and their facilities are always on our priority. Management periodically revise the workflow to keep a check on overall employee performance. Starting from our spacious fabric stock, which aims at sufficient air passage and light. Our modern structure helps us to lead a healthy work style. Machines we use are in line with technology trends. Rather than focusing only on innovations, we pick machines which suit our business requirements. We combine automation and right amount of manpower, hence this process results in precision. Overall inclusion of facilities and modern infrastructure are balanced out in every turn we take. While working on improving our machines, we look at industry standpoint and standards, which makes Prithvi best in class. Like the management, staff is in a continuous journey to bring best out of themselves. They spend time on bringing new designs and comfort, considering different body size. As we have many loyal customers, we pick only necessary detailing in designs change. Waste management, rework and rejection control, regular meeting planned structure. As we enjoy our ways to commitment, we are happy seeing what we bring onto our tables at the end of the day. Packing little bundle of welfare and fulfillment. By keeping balanced ratio of stock and utilization, we continue to be with our customers and gain their trust. Being the last stage of our work process, we have tried to put an ease for our staff. Prithvi manufacturing units are engineered, focusing easier pathways to move products in bulk. We understand the value of our products in consumers' daily life. The team utilizes time to study the customer requirements and negate issues. We know customers would like to continue use same brand, and we redefine our equation for an easy wear garments which blends under any style of clothing. Children Care Center is recent add-on to our facilities. We are equally excited to see the difference it will make to our staff's life. Kids do bring positivity and lighten up the place. For immediate health checkups, staff use the in-house health center. It is well equipped and we escalate the issues if needed to nearby hospital. We also take assistance of medical unit to keep a tab on our working environment. Hence, we level up work culture end to end. Prithvi is about its customers as well as its staff community. We are happy to say we have found our values to its core and we continue as one team. Each one of us share the fulfillment and take away profit we rightly deserve.